God says it is time to see things differently. You did not have a bad day, you just had a bad hour. You did not fail in life, you just failed in one area of your life. There is so much more about you than the things you feel or accomplish. You are courageous. I love you. The universe will have your back even when you are not hurrying, rushing, panicking, or constantly producing. There is no shame in allowing yourself to be naturally inspired instead of forcing creativity. Don't get overwhelmed by the fast pacing new reality. Gracefully allow yourself to receive, accept, and be open to the transition. Your doubts will be proved wrong when you receive your blessings. You are being asked to step down from doing things from obligation and start embodying more of your authentic self. Type Amen if you believe in God.